Hi, this is Jamie and Debbie from Chalk It Up Fancy, and we just wanted to show you how we took these 3 ingredients and made an air dry clay and then what we did with it. So you're going to start with 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 3/4 cup of water. You're going to stir it really good. Make sure it's all mixed together. And once you feel like it's mixed good enough, you're going to put it on top of your stove. You're going to set it to high, and you're going to let it come to a boil. Won't take long. Once it's boiling, you're going to turn it down, and you're going to continue to stir it until you get like a dough consistency. That will take about 5 to 6 minutes. If you feel like it's still too sticky, you can add a little bit of baking soda and then just move it around. Using a roller, I flattened it out, and I had a star-shaped cookie cutter, and I just cut as many star shapes as I could with the amount of dough I made. For the one batch, I had about 24 stars. You're then going to let your stars dry. It's going to take about 24 to 48 hours. I started with this decor wax from Prima Redesign in the colors Eternal, and you just put a little on your finger, and once your air clay is dry, you're going to just wipe it on top, and you'll see that it'll grab where it wants to. You can put as much or as little as you'd like. And then I took some gold wire and I just wrapped it around the star. You want to make sure you wrap it around enough time so that when you hang your garland, that the stars aren't going to fall out. And then I basically just did this until I had it as long as I wanted to, or until I used all my stars. So you can choose to leave it just like that, or I found this 15-foot garland from the Dollar Tree, and then I just took more wire and then I attached the stars to the green garland. I thought this was cute, and you can either decorate your table, you can wrap it around your Christmas tree, you can hang it on your wall. I feel there's so many different things you can do with it, or you can even make your own design out of the air clay. Thank you for watching, and if you decide to try it, we'd love to see what you make.